Please prepare Bumsay female cadet blue. Player number 1, Angel and Zafra. Player number 2, Audrey Fatima Pasay. And player number 3, Marco Sion Villarojo. Please prepare Bumsay male cadet white. Player number 1, Jim Alfred Acabo of Sicilians. And player number 2, Miguelito Bahinting of Sicilians. Please prepare Bumsay male cadet yellow. Jair Cian Kaka of Sicilians, player number 1. Player number 2, Dominic Michael Denuyo of Sicilians. Please prepare Bumsay male cadet blue. Player number 1, Gerald Nino Torres of Homes of Iron Taekwondo. And player number 2, Avox Sander Luspa of Southern 45ers.
Okay, announcement, dili pwede maglabang-labang dili sa match kay ongoing ang atong dula.
Last call for fight number 6.
Please, coaches, guide your athletes.
Last call for fight ZD22 Kyogi Girls Intermediate. Jaisel Arcol Leon of Sicilians, sana ka. Ganina lang kahuwag ang imong kontra. Palihog kong doon ni sir.
Calling Kyrgyz female junior novice under featherweight over 46 to 49 kilograms. Nadella Regine from Sicilians, red armor. Arikaya Shaira Jasmine from Anbu, blue armor. Please proceed to Court 2 inspection area. Court 4 inspection area. Court 4 inspection area. Nadella Regine, red armor. Arikaya Shaira Jasmine, blue armor. Please proceed to Court 4 inspection area.
Natin ang court 4.
Kyrgyz female junior novice under light weight.
Kyogi female Next match, court number 3.
Okay. Junior novice female lightweight Escantalio Bujana from Trojans, red armor. Obidencia Jezabel under KJ Taekwondo, blue armor. Please proceed to the inspection area of court 4.
Bumsay female cadet yellow winners. Gold, Ryla Faye Agosto of CTG. Silver, Yanimir Warain of Alte. And bronze, Gisette Lian Gitale of Sicilians. Congratulations. Next to perform, player number 1, Inya Jane Gako of Anbo. Player number 2, Samantha Ricocaldo of Sicilians.
Court number 2. Bankil Kate Nicole Afte. Bankil Kate Nicole, red armor. Blue armor, Kalia Trisha Bell. Please proceed to court number 2.
Amo iso yan dili. Nagkuan mo. Court number 2, mamala ko sa unang player. Okay, so daw.
Sir Jack.
Last call, Pizza Security Female Junior Novice, 42 kilogram and below. Red armor, Pankil Kate Nicole, Afte. Candia Trishabel, Titans. Blue armor, please proceed to court number 2.
Ba? Dati, kulibanin mo dito.
Calling Elvisa May Cuestas.
Kyurugi Female Junior Novice. Red armor, Pipito Yana D. Sipsilian. Rosario Ashley Ann of the Blue Armor Anbu. Please proceed to court number 2.
Wala. Dire ka? Pangalan. Try na dito. Pause.
Last call, Kyurugi Female Junior Novice. Pankil Kate Nicole Apte. Candia Trishabel Titans. Please proceed here in the court. Last call. Kaya dili mo doon tayo ay. Forbid na lang mo. Katulong ako magtawag. Last call na yung katulong. Trishabel.
Amas Bankil. Bankil na. Okay. Okay. Ilang dula? Bankil and
Calling Carnegie Male Cadet Samarian.
Please prepare for the female junior novice. Court 2. Again, Court 2. Pipito Kiana, Sicilians. Rosario Ashley Ann, Anbu. Kiana. Ikaduha pa ka, second match pa ka.